So this week is a bit of a different design for us. It's more of a broken marble design. Rather than most of our designs are quite blended, this one's quite broken up, so the colours you can see a little bit stronger. So that was what it would look like when it was fully done, and I'm going to rewind it back a little bit and show you doing some of the airbrushing. Now with the airbrushing at this stage, I've already put on 2 base layers of white Venetian plaster, the grey undertones and the black top veins. Once the black top veins are on, I can then go on with the airbrush, run through it and join everything up together. The airbrush gives a much smoother design compared to a normal paintbrush, and we can get through the veining a lot quicker. So even though this is quite a busy marble design, the kitchen in this client's house is absolutely massive, and we've got a lot of white in there already, so it breaks it up absolutely perfectly. If you've got any questions on Venetian plaster, drop them in the comment section and I will be sure to get back to them. Thanks, bye.